blue color, red color, green color, black color, white color, and yellow color. Kids, now you draw A and use blue color. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use red color. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nest. O. O for owl. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for quail. R. R for rabbit. Kids, now you draw S and use green color. Green color. S for snake. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for vanilla. W. W for whale. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. And Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Red color, blue color, black color, green color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use red color. A for aeroplane. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. It's Nidra H, and U is blue color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O, and U is black color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V, and U is green color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Blue color. Brown color. Sky blue color. Black color. Yellow color. Green color. Green color. Orange color. Light green color. Red color. Light green color. And purple color. So kids, now you draw numbers. 1, O-N-E 1. 2, T-W-O 2. 3, T-H-R-W 3. 4, F-O-U-R 4. 5, F-I-V-E 5. 6, S-I-X 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. 9, N-I-N-E 9. 10, 10, T-E-N, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.